Welcome. Let's discuss one of the most popular network architecture, the client-server architecture, on which one of the most popular apps of the internet is built called the web. So let's understand this concept with the help of an example. You went to a grocery shop with a list of items. You requested the shopkeeper for items and the shopkeeper responded by either giving the items or giving an excuse for unavailable items. Here the concept is very simple. You request an item and the shopkeeper responded. In the same way, in a computer network, some information is stored at a computer and requests are generated by other computers to access that information. The computer sending request is called a client computer, and the computer giving response either with a data or message is known as a server. Here we are discussing the client-server model in a network context, but the client-server model is implemented in various computing models. A server, typically a web server, has sufficient processing power, memory, and web server software like Apache and Microsoft IIS to serve information to the clients. On the other hand, clients can access information from web browsers like Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge. A single server may provide service to millions of clients at a single instance of time. One of the most popular applications based on the client-server model is the web, which allows us to serve information in the form of web pages and websites. Let's see all of these things in real time. Here I am opening three of the browsers installed on my computer, which are Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and the Brave. So we use these browsers to make requests to servers. Now I am going to start the Apache web server I have installed on my computer. In addition to the web servers, we also have mail servers like Mercury, application servers like Tomcat. To access the home page of a local web server, we have to type localhost on the web browser. Here we have both the client process and the server process on the same machine, but in case of internet they are placed on the different computers. We can keep track of the requests made to a server via its log file. Now if I open the log file, it's empty, but after making some requests, you will see that the list of requests. I can make requests from multiple browsers simultaneously and it will return the same welcome page. The requests are going to log into the log file. We can see the requests made by all the clients. Here the browsers are separate clients and the response is given by the Apache web server. If we take the same example in the case of internet, where we are the client and the computer serving us some information is the server. For example, here I am requesting the website YouTube and the computers having data of YouTube are the YouTube servers containing YouTube videos, their access and presentation methods. Some popular internet applications based on this architecture are the web and the electronic mail. Okay, that's all for this video. I hope you got some basic idea on the client-server architecture. Thanks for watching this video. Consider subscribing to the channel.